Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie, and today we're making Playdough. Now we're gonna need flour, food coloring, water, and empty bowl with this, cream of tartar, vegetable oil. Let's get started with 1 cup of flour. Pour it in. Whoa! That was a lot. Next, add half cup of salt. Let's pour it in. 2 teaspoons can of tartar. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add warm water slowly. Add a little bit and then stir it. Keep mixing. It's almost looking like dough. Make sure you add your water a little bit at a time. Once it looks like this, use your hands to make it form like dough. Once everything mixed, it's supposed to look like this. Now let's add the color. Make 3 balls like this, 1 for each color. First color is yellow, and then we add 2 drops. Can you open it for me? I open it. And 2. Now you're gonna pinch it like that, and now you're gonna mix it up. Just keep folding. Your hands are gonna get a little messy, but that's okay. Just keep squishing and mixing, and then I'll turn into colors. It's not the color you want. Add a couple more drops. Those are mixed. Now we're gonna make the other 2 colors whatever we want. Next color, purple. Let's add 2 drops red and add 2 drops blue, and let's do it. Remember, add more drops as needed. The last color is green. 1, 2. Oh, that's weird. Green. It's wicked. That's going to turn real greeny. These are the finished Playdough. I got purple, green, and yellow. Soil them in containers like this to make them last longer. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And that's the end.